1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now you have 1, 2, and 3 strands of hair. You see it? So side piece, middle, side piece, main piece, other side piece. Okay, so all I do is pass either one of the ones on the sides and try to take them to the middle. Okay, that's all I'm doing the entire time. Let me arrange this part because I feel like it's getting in the way. Okay. So, I start from the left this time. So I grab the strand and bring it to the middle. Now, wherever it came from, obviously 2 strands cannot be in the middle at the same time. So, whatever you take from, you got to replace with the closest strand from it. So, I just took from this one, so I replace it, right? Now, this one is in the middle. But I can't just take it back over here because then that makes a twist. So, I take it across and over. Now, that piece is in the middle. I can only go across with it and over. So, I do that. And then the strand that used to be there takes its place in the middle. Then, I do it again. It's in the middle. I go across with it and bring this and replace it with this one. Now, middle piece, across, replace. Middle piece, across, replace. Middle piece, across, replace. Middle piece, across, replace it. Middle piece, across, replace. Middle piece, again, middle piece. You bring it across and you replace it. This is the new middle piece. You bring it across and you replace it. New middle piece, across, replace it. New middle piece, across, see, across, and you replace it. If you ever get confused and go the same way twice, for example, you get here and then you mistakenly think you have to go this way. The fact that when it starts making a twist, don't panic. Just bring it back to the middle, see? And go the other way. Then replace it. New middle piece, bring it across, replace it. Grip. New piece, across, replace. Grip. New piece, across, replace. Grip. I'm talking about grip because it's this part. Now, I put this finger here to support the other piece because I'm scared of, you know, like if it's just loose, then I have to do a lot of pushing around to make sure that that piece doesn't come in the way. So, we're here. This piece just got out of the middle. So I hide it here. Then I get the new middle piece and replace it and hold. New middle piece, replace it, hold. See? See how this finger just whoosh. New middle piece, across, whoosh. New middle piece, across, whoosh. You know? And then whenever you're comfortable, you just go longer, 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 and quicker and all that. Whew. Okay.